today's the day. Today is my last day of 8th grade. And then summer begins and I'm so excited. It is currently 6:21 a.m. Wednesday, May 26th. So I'm gonna start getting around. I'm gonna get breakfast and I'm gonna get ready, and then I'll see you guys whenever I'm done getting ready. And then we'll go to school. Hey guys, so I just got out of school. It's 11:20. The fit. Anyway, we are going to some shops and I have some money, and if I get stuff, you guys will get a haul. So we're in the car right now at the bank. Hi. My hair's really poofy today because it's like hot outside and stuff. But look at this. I look like that guy where it's like, it's Wednesday, my dudes. Like, that just reminds me of it.
Don't touch my hair.
I'll edit all that part out and then act like your finger's in here, and then I'll slam it and then you'll like scream.
Alright, so we're back at the house and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was this cute shirt. It's just striped because I need more shirts. I got this shirt, and then that's like the two clothing items I got. And then I got this double take Tarte eyeliner, and on one side it has like a pencil, and then on one side it's a liquid. Wait, hold on, you can see it. A new foundation and a new concealer. So I really hope these are good. I've heard like good things about them, so I hope they're good. Got the shades Ivory and Almond, so I hope they're good. Then I got this candle. I also got this moon book. It's like moon spells book, but it's really just talks about the moon, and it's like also a journal, so like you write your own stuff in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I know it was probably short, but still, I think it was fun to film.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around.